Shade's Crazy Cash.
It is happening, ladies and gentlemen. I do have the webcam on. If I look a little translucent, I guess I'm feeling translucent today. But yeah, I know some of you, this is the first time you're seeing my face. Those of you who have been around for years, this is not your first time. You already know the hat. The hat is here. It's covered in cat hairs. It's crumpled. It looks terrible. It doesn't even fit on my head anymore. Maybe because my head got bigger, or I don't know. Well, I guess the cats could have crushed it to the point where it doesn't fit anymore. Maybe I need to really press down. Oh, no, it does fit. What am I saying? I just needed to really pull it down. Got the purple on. I couldn't find the trench coat, so I put on the winter coat just to get that same feel. And yeah, let's go. This is the costume. I've been wearing this since I started the channel way back in 2020. And here we are. Shout out to Not Your Business. Shout out to T2. Those were the first people that left comments on my channel. Let's jump into the stock market. It's going to be fun, guys. We are tanking, and that's fine by me. Someone in the Discord did mention that SoFi is pumping. SoFi. Finally, we're getting a move on here. I don't expect much. At the best, it's going to come back up to 18.50 and then come right back down. Unfortunately, this has been a pattern with a lot of stocks. We get a nice pump and then we get a nice dump, right? Like nice woo, and then we just go, wow, oh God. Trucker Jeff, he gets angry and goes, man, what? Oh, I should have sold. He buys here and then gets angry that he sold too soon, or he gets angry that he didn't sell and then it came back down for his average. So, you can't time everything. I don't expect much until we see this breakout above 20. I don't expect much. Like once we get that move above 20, then it's time to get excited. Now, those of you who have been buying under 20, then you're a smart guy. You're a smart girl, smart alien, whatever the hell you are, smart avatar, smurf, whatever. You're blue, you're green, you're a Pokemon. It doesn't matter. You are smart. You're doing a good job. Now you have to do a good job of holding. That's the hard part, right? That's the hard part, is holding and waiting. In the past, if you bought over here at like $8, you had to wait months for this to finally break out above $8, and then it made that move from 8 to 18, and then the bigger move to 30 plus. So, the question is, are you willing to wait now? You bought cheap, you bought discounted. You're not an idiot. You're not a sucker buying up here at the top. You're not that. You're smart because you watch this channel. You watch me, and if you follow my strategies, I told you guys, hey, I'm not buying up here because every time we get this pattern, after a huge run, every time we get the sideways pattern up here, we dump. And if you've been following this, you shouldn't be bag holding at 25 plus. You should have bought at 20 and under, because that's where I've been buying. I believe that this stock holding calls, leaps, is well worth it right now, because this is when you want to buy leaps. You don't want to be buying leaps up here, because yeah, good luck, right? You're buying the top, buddy. Stop doing that. This is the time to get those leaps down here, right? When it was at $8, that was the time to get leaps down here. This is the time to get leaps. Notice how every time it goes under this white line, every single time, what does it do? I wish I was wearing white, but I'm wearing purple. So every time, you know what I can do? What am I doing, right? I can just go here and bam, it's the purple line now. Bam, now it matches. Now it matches. So there you go. Every time this stock comes under this purple line, what happens, guys? Nobody wants it. Everyone is scared. Oh no, it's over. It's the end of the world. And then it runs huge. And then it runs huge. And we would expect the exact same thing. Whether you have the patience for that or not, that is up to you. But we got the patience. That is what we are about in the Discord. We're not about getting rich quick. I've had people come to me and go, I'm going to make 100% return every day, every month, every year, and they slowly realize, like, oh, that's not how this works. Yeah, you can make 100% every day. Just buy your options on SPY, all in, and I mean, either you're gonna make a lot or you're gonna lose it all real quick. That's a great way to find out. But we don't like to fuck around and find out like that. Let's just buy what's cheap, what's discounted down here at 20 and under, and hold. We know we will get that cycle up. We will go into a massive bull run. It happened with Joe Biden. Joe Biden, we had a nice pump when he became president, and then we dumped in 2022. If you guys recall, we had that bear market that lasted like 9 months, almost a whole year, if I recall. And then what happened? Bitcoin ran to 120s. Everything pumped huge. Everything ran. Everybody was like, woo, right? We're not in that cycle yet, but we're headed there. Whether you can wait for that, that's a whole nother question. I mean, look, I was lifting today, and I think I may have hurt my back because I suddenly felt like really hot back there in the lower back. Maybe I shouldn't be lifting treadmills up and down stairs, but, you know, it is what it is. I had to move that treadmill. So I've been icing the lower back, but maybe I should have been patient. Maybe I should have waited. Maybe I should have waited so I can carry it up with a friend instead of me by myself having to carry that thing all the way up and then all the way back down. So, yeah, you know, patience would have paid there, but here I am now with my back a little stiff, a little, you know, it hurts back here like, whoa, am I getting old or what? I'm joking, guys, that didn't actually happen, but you get the point. Patience does pay. Whether it's Pokemon, whether it's crypto, whether it's the stock market, a lot of stocks are going through the exact same setup. They're going nowhere unless Trump or the government have specifically named them or named the specific sector. So until we get all this midterm nonsense out of the way, the Iran war supposedly is over. If it truly is over, we'll find out. Maybe it's a fake out. We don't know. They've been going back and forth for what, 6 months now, this whole year? Let's hope it's real. And let's hope that we continue to skyrocket beyond $20. Once we break 20, if you want to jump in, that is the time to jump in because that's a break. And every time we get that break here, we broke the downtrend here, we broke the sideways trend here, and we just look at this. Once we break that resistance level, every time this has happened, every single time we've broken that, we go on a huge uptrend. And when you go on this huge uptrend, what happens? Everyone's a genius because it just keeps going up. You can see that here. Oh shit, it just keeps going up. There's some pullbacks, there's some drops, but it just continues to go up. 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 And then the cycles repeat. We go sideways up at the top, and then we tank really hard. Oh no, and blah, blah, blah. Everybody's scared. Come on, man. Come on, right? No pain, no gain. That's what they say at the gym. But in the stock market, they want no pain and all the gain. What? Get out of here. So this is easy, guys. This is easy, right? If you lift weights, you know it's easy. Maybe it's not easy in the beginning when the first time you're lifting weights, it's not easy. You know, the first time you go for a sprint, you're going to feel it. Like your lungs are going to feel on fire. I remember that feeling. I was like, holy shit, I didn't know that my lungs could feel like they're on fire. Because you're not ready for that kind of work. But after doing it over and over again, right? After lifting over and over again, you make a habit of it. It's just another day. Right? It's just another day. You go to the gym, you get your pump, you feel great. You go look at the stock market and you go, wow, it's really discounted. Fantastic. I'm going to buy more because, ooh, this is when you buy. You know, it's so weird that people trample over each other on Black Friday. People have died. And for some reason in the stock market, people look at SoFi and think it's over. I don't know. I'm looking around. I don't get it. I just understand that if you're patient, you make a lot of money. So continue to hold, continue to be patient. This is the time to be accumulating. If you don't want to deal with this sideways range, then wait for the break of the trend, then jump in. That way you can ride the trend up. That's another way to go about it.